This video primarily demonstrates the fill and draw boundary line operation in CoProcess software. Drawing boundary lines involves creating closed vector paths on the active drawing to fill the enclosed area with a pattern. Click Vector greater than fill greater than draw boundary line. The fill creation panel appears on the right side of the software. Select the desired fill pattern style in the fill creation panel. In the viewport, click to draw a closed vector path. Press Enter to finish, or right-click and select Confirm. This fills the interior of the closed vector area with the selected pattern style, while the boundary line itself is not retained. After activating the Draw Boundary Line Fill command, all patterns drawn and filled continuously within the command are treated as a single composite object. Only this composite object can be edited or modified.